Hey guys, wanna know how to solve your first problem in Geeks for Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, simply open up your Geeks for Geeks application, or you can just go to GeeksforGeeks.org and open its browser. The process is simply seen. Now, head towards your Geeks for Geeks application, and right here on the bottom right, you can see your profile. So simply click on it. And now right there you can see POTD right here. This is your activity and your POTD. So just simply select POTD, which stands for problem of the day. Now in order to solve your first problem, you can just simply head towards POTD and select solve right here. And once you've done that, right here you can see problems, and you can just simply solve it and then submit right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.